Hello everyone, my name is Kayla from the Museum of Antiquities, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the Viking game, Kubb. Kubb is a skill testing game that was played by the Vikings. It was usually played outdoors in a field using large wooden blocks and sticks. Each team would use their wooden sticks to try and knock over the other team's wooden blocks, or Kubb. We're going to be making the tabletop version of Kubb, which can be played with as little as 2 players or 2 teams of 6 players. To get started, you are going to need your Kubb templates. You will have 5 purple, 5 blue, and 1 yellow. And then, to build your batons, you are going to have 6 Q-tips and a package of clay. And then you will also need your own pair of scissors and a glue stick. Start by carefully cutting out your Kubb template pieces. Once you're done cutting out your Kubb piece, you can start folding it. Fold on every solid line that you see. Once you've folded the template on all of the solid lines, you'll create a box shape. Now we'll glue this box shape together using a glue stick. And you just put glue on the top of the flap, put it together, and hold it down until it dries. And repeat that with all the flaps until you get a full box. Once you've completed all the steps, you will have 11 Kubbs in total. 5 blue, 5 purple, and 1 yellow. Now it's time to make the batons. To start, take your Q-tip and cut off one of the ends. And do this for every one of your 6 Q-tips that you have. And then take the end that doesn't have the fluff anymore and take some of your clay and put it on to the end to make it heavier on one side, and that will help knock the Kubbs over. Do that with all of your Q-tips. The object of the game is to be the first player to knock over the king piece in the middle of the playing area. But before you can do that, you must knock over all of your opponent's Kubb pieces first. This is a very fast-paced game and can be played very quickly. To set up the game, each player or team will stand on either side of a table and set up their Kubb pieces in a straight line like this, and then place their king piece in the middle. One player or team will start with all 6 of the batons. To see who goes first, there are many different ways. You can roll a dice or play a quick game of rock, paper, scissors. It's up to you. The first player will use their 6 batons to try and knock down their opponent's Kubbs. Now, if you're playing in a team, you can alternate players throwing the Kubbs until all 6 have been thrown. Remember to be careful when you're throwing the batons. Make sure all the players are cleared so no one gets hurt. Once all the batons are thrown, then it is player 2 or team 2's turn. The first player to knock down all 5 of their opponent's Kubbs and the king wins. However, you must be careful when you are playing, because if you accidentally knock over the king Kubb before you knock over all 5 of your opponent's Kubbs, then that means your opponent gets to set back up all the pieces that you have already knocked over, and you have to start from the beginning. However, you must be careful, because if you accidentally knock over the king piece before you knock over all 5 of your opponent's Kubb pieces, that means your opponent gets to set back up all the pieces that you had already knocked over. And that means you have to start again from the beginning. And that's how you play Tabletop Kubb. Now, it might be ancient in origin, but it does bear some similarities to games that we still play today, like bowling. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy playing Kubb with your friends and family. Bye!
The museum would love to see what you guys have come up with and to share your creations with our friends. Share pictures of your creations with us by messaging us on our Facebook page, by email, or tagging us on Twitter. Also, be sure to check our social media pages and our website to see your creation alongside our friends.